Need to download your Monzo bank statement on the Monzo app, but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm showing you not one, but two different ways to download your Monzo bank statement directly from the mobile app to your smartphone, Android or iPhone. Here's another important part of this tutorial. Which Monzo account statement format should you actually get online? PDF, CSV, or QIF? Stick around until the end, because I'm going to break down exactly what each format is used for, so you never waste time downloading the wrong one again. Let's jump in.
Method number 1. Open the Monzo app on your smartphone. On the home screen, look to the right of your account balance. You'll see this small icon with 3 dots. Tap it. A menu will appear. Scroll down and select Bank Statements. Now, this next step is critical if you have more than one Monzo account, like me. Ensure the account displayed is the one you want the e-statement. For example, your main current account, a joint account, or a flex account. If it's the wrong account, simply tap on it and select the correct one. Next, choose your date range. You have 3 options. If you want the last 3 months, tap on it to download the statement. If you prefer the custom date range, tap on it. Then pick your own from date and choose the 2. Then tap on the export statement button to download it. Lastly, you can select a specific month. Just scroll and tap any past month listed. For this purpose, I will choose any month. Then comes the format selection: PDF, CSV, or QIF. Select your preferred bank statement format. Don't know what to pick? I explain each one in detail after we finish the second method. For now, select PDF. Monzo will prompt you to enter your PIN, biometrics to get it. Now, tap Save to store the file on your phone, or send it via email, WhatsApp, AirDrop, messaging, etc. For iPhone, tap Save to Files, then tap Save again. That's method 1, quick and easy. Now for method 2, via the Help section. Open Monzo Bank app again. This time, look at the bottom of your screen and tap Help. It's on your right hand. Once you're in the Help section, look for Download a Statement under Quick Links. If you don't see it there, no problem at all. Just tap the search icon at the top, type Download Statement, and it'll appear instantly. Tap on it, and you'll see the exact same screen as before. Again, confirm your account, select your date range, last 3 months, custom range, or a specific month. Then choose your format: PDF, CSV, or QIF. Save it or share it. That's method 2. So now you know 2 different ways to get your Monzo statement. But here's another interesting question. Which format should you actually download? Let me explain each one, clearly and simply. First, PDF. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. This is what most people think of as a normal bank statement. It looks exactly like a paper statement, with the bank logo, transaction list, dates, and running balance. You can open it on any phone, tablet, or computer. You can print it. You can email it to your landlord, accountant, employer, or visa officer, etc. So, use PDF when you need to submit proof of address or income. You're applying for a visa, a loan, or renting a property. Or you simply want to save or print a readable statement. Second, CSV. CSV stands for comma-separated values. This format contains only raw data, just transactions in clean rows and columns. You open it with Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet software. Okay, use CSV when you want to analyze your spending in a spreadsheet. You're creating a budget or tracking categories like eating out, transport, or shopping. Or you need to import transactions into a tool like Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or Notion. Third, QIF. QIF stands for Quicken Interchange Format. It's a very useful format designed specifically for financial software. Unlike CSV, which just shows data, QIF is built to be imported into accounting or money management apps. It preserves transaction types like payments, deposits, and transfers. So, use QIF when you use desktop finance software like Quicken, QuickBooks, or MoneyWiz. You want automatic transaction categorization without manual setup. Or you're an accountant, freelancer, or small business owner managing finances offline.
My personal recommendation? If you're not sure, download your Monzo account statement in PDF format. It works most times. Now, you know 2 ways to download your Monzo bank statement on the app, and more importantly, exactly which format to choose for your situation. If this video helped you, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more practical tutorials. For any questions or suggestion, leave a message in the comment section. Thanks for watching.